We are made in tech. Technology flows in our veins. With it, we want to shape a digital world capable of anticipating and adapting ever more quickly to new uses. With it, we want to shape a world that is more secure, more fun, more inclusive, and more respectful of our planet. With it, we want to shape a world where innovation brings concrete opportunities for development. As a team, we join forces to meet the challenges of tomorrow. We create cutting-edge, forward-looking solutions for your projects. Passionate about our business, we make technology a reality. We are made in tech. Sogeti, value in the making.